Hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about MS Word. Okay. So in MS Word I am going to discuss about how can you opening a document, saving a document, then creating a new document, closing a new document. Okay. This thing in MS Word. Okay. So see here, this is my MS Word window and these are the tabs. Say first one is File tab. Okay. Then see here in a File tab, when you click on the File tab, these options are available. Okay, Home, New, Open, Info, Save as, Print, Share, Export. These are the options when you click on the File tab. Okay, so for creating a new document, you have to click on the new, or you can click on the blank document. Okay, so I'm creating the new one. So see, this is the blank document I have created. So when you click on this blank document, okay, you can write in this document area. So for creating a blank document, what you have to click? You have to click on the File tab and then you have to click on the blank document. Okay, so this is the step for creating a new document. Now I am writing something here. Say computer science. Okay, so I have written here computer science. So now how you can save this document? Okay, for saving a document, again you have to click on the File tab, then you have to click on the Save As option. Okay, so when you click on the Save As option, it will give you the option in the desktop or document or something else. Okay, I am going to save this in document. Okay, then where you want to save? Say I'm going to save here in document, and the file name is your file name dot, what is the extension? docx. Okay, then save. So your file name is, see here, your file name is showing in the title bar, computer science. See here, your file name is showing in the title bar. Okay, so how you can create a new document? For creating a new document, you have to go to the File tab and then New. For saving, File tab, then Save As. Now how you can open an existing document? So for opening an existing documents, you have to click on the File tab and then you have to click on the Open. When you click on the Open, lots of older folders are available. You have to click on the file whatever you want to open. Okay, so I am going to open my recent document, that is computer science. So the step is File, then Open, then click on the means your desired document. Okay, next one is how you can selecting a text. Okay, so for selecting a text, first you have to click on the cursor in the left hand side. Okay, so I have, see here, this is my cursor in the left hand side, and now you have to hold your button and then you have to select the whole line and then release it. So what is the step? Step is, first place the cursor to the left of the first character to be selected, means first character. So this is my first character, so you have to move the cursor here. After that, press the left mouse button, and drag the mouse to the position where you want to stop the selecting. So press the left mouse button and then hold the button up to where you want to selecting and then release the mouse button. Okay, so see here, my text has been selected. Okay, next is how you can delete a text. So for deleting a text, if you want to delete the text, just you have to you can just delete like this, or just you have to position your cursor to the right hand side and give the backspace, or you have to click on the left. You have to give your cursor to the left of the character to be deleted, and then click on the what? You have to click on the delete option, but you can just delete it like the backspace. Okay, next one is undo. Okay, so for undo means reserve the, say for example I am giving the example computer. Okay, so this is my word computer. So say I have some I want to give some effect here. So for example italic, I gave here the text as a italic. Okay, so undo means used to reverse the last command. Means undo command is used to reverse the last command. Whatever you have done in the reverse, you have to means want to your original command. Okay, means it is used to reverse the last command. So for undo, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Z. So just you have to click on Ctrl plus Z. See here, your previous effect is given here. Okay, Ctrl plus Z. And for redo, what is the option? For redo, you have to click on, means the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Y. Ctrl plus Y. When you click the Ctrl plus Y, it will again go to the your last command. Okay, next one is cut, copy, paste. How you can copy this? So for copy the text, first you have to select it, then right click, then copy it, or simply you can do Ctrl plus C for copy the text, and after that say you want to place it here, so you have to take your cursor, move your cursor here only. After that again right click, and then you have to click on the paste, or simply you can do as Ctrl plus V. For paste, Ctrl plus V, and for copy, Ctrl plus C. Okay, and for cut the option, first you have to click on this, and then you have to select the text, and then the shortcut key is Ctrl plus X. When you click on the Ctrl plus X, your text will be cut. Okay, or you can do it by select the text, and then you have to click on the cut option. Okay, then your text will be cut. So this is for copy, paste and cut. Next one is formatting. Format means how you can format your text. Okay, so it is actually based on your font. Font means it is a set of letters, numbers or symbol of a given size and design that might be display or printed. Means how it can appear. This is called as font. Okay, so the font can be bold. See here, this is the option for font. Okay, so in font option, see lots of other options are there. In font group, this is the group. So there are different groups are available. See here, first one is clipboard group, next one is font group, next one is paragraph group, then style, then editing. Okay, so in clipboard group, so paste option is available, which I have already discussed. Cut, copy, these options are available. In font group, see here, first your text can be bold, italic, underline. Then your font face are available, size is available, all the things are available, which I will discuss it later. Okay, so first the option is, see here, highlighting the text. Okay, how you can highlight your text. So for highlighting the text, first you have to go to your home group. Okay, means first you have to click on your home tab. Okay, these are the tabs. First you have to click on your home tab, then you have to go to your font group, home tab, font group. Okay, after that you have to go to your highlight your text. So for highlight your text, so you have to click on the option. See here, see, these are the options. Text highlight color. Okay, so you have to click on it, text highlight color. Okay, so after this, see here, you have to click on this and lots of colors are available. So if I click on it, so it will highlight your text. So for highlight your text, you have to click on the home tab, then font group, then this one is text highlight color, and then you have to select your appropriate color and then click on OK. Okay, so now if you want to remove it, you have to click on again home tab, font group, and then you have to click on the text highlight color, and then you have to click on no color option. Then your okay, before that you have to select it, then home tab, font group, then no color option. So your highlight color will be removed. Okay.